Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bhindi. Today I will show you a very simple Bhindi curry. Okra is Bhindi in Hindi or dherosh as we call in Bengali. With very few and simple ingredients you can make this curry. So let's get started. Always wash the okras before cutting. Cut the top part of the okra and then cut them into halves. I do not usually cut the ends as I feel it is such a wastage to do so. If I see the ends bit brown or like this, then only I cut it. I have peeled 2 medium potatoes which I cut into long pieces like this. Then I have taken half of a large onion and sliced it. After that I sliced 1 large tomato. Then I have taken a green chili and just made a slit. Green chilies are optional. Here my large pan is heating on high heat. I added about 3 tablespoons of oil. My pan is hot enough now. Decrease the heat and add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the seeds crackle, add the potatoes to the pan and stir the potatoes on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they develop slight brown color along the edges. Next comes the bhindi. Stir everything on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, in a bowl, I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then add a splash of water and mix to make a spice paste. Add this spice paste to the pan. Add the sliced onions and the green chili and stir everything on medium heat. Then add the sliced tomatoes, a teaspoon of salt and stir. After that, cover it on low heat for about 8 minutes. 8 minutes done, so let's see how our curry is looking. The tomatoes have softened. The bhindi needs a few more minutes and the potato is almost done. So I covered it for 5 more minutes on low heat. In the meantime, I roughly chopped some cilantro. Cilantro is a very delicate herb, so I always roughly chop them whenever I add them to the curries. 5 minutes done. The okra has become soft and so have the potatoes. I added the chopped cilantro, give a quick stir and cover it for another minute so that the cilantro imparts all its flavor. I love making this curry as it takes such less time to prepare. Serve this bhindi curry with rice or chapati. You can even pack this for your lunch box. Write to me in the comment section that what kind of recipes would you like from me. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and if you are new to my channel then please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.